Me have only business figure look boss and me I go ask my friend to follow me. Me no want to not get into it yet. Away me I go. You understand? Because it's a secret me can't make everybody hear. So as soon as me call her, who know we hear which part me I go. Because if the boy they ever think say him a get with the good something, he make a sad mistake. Hello, cherilda. Oh, Casilda, you that? Yes, yes, yes. I want you follow me good on a stony ground there. Hey. You know I which part? No, no, me no know them they place them, mama. Me no know them they place there at all, at all. Well, come on. We get the information and the address and everything because me I tell you, say the boy Patrick, if he think he might get away with the good sin thing, he make a sad mistake. All right. So I get to understand that you do good reading and you're tired too. So how will you come here for do, ma? Well, the boy when me there with for 10 years now, find one new woman a foreign and one left me go. So me want you tie him right back here in a Jamaica. Because he not left here with the good same thing when me want. I will expect me to do. When he gone with it, what me fi do? Use me hand? Or some tie? Now work out. He have to stay right here with his own thing. Alright. If he ever think me a joke. So what you say me fi do? No, 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 me never can manage that at all, at all. Them the type of same thing that me can do. Find something else. What? Oh, me try that bit, but the other one them now go do it at all, at all, at all. Cause next thing when me cook this stew peas, and tell me say me fi heat some fuss. Because no cure my heating, I mean I heating always I feel give me some, so me now go can try that. Come with something else. Put something on that pillar. Oh. Me try that, me will try that. Alright then, alright, thank you. So how much it all cost? $3 million? But they must have their money there from me, man. Jesus Christ. They never go and go for it then because I will be able to get them they bring their money. Whoa!